New years are for new resolutions, and as a dermatologist, I would encourage all of you to resolve to developing a healthy, radiant skin in the coming year. My 3 simple tips for this would be: follow a sincere AM and PM routine. Ensure that the products that you use are suited for your skin types with the active ingredients that best work for you. Eat a healthy diet, as colorful as possible. Include as many vegetables, as many antioxidants, and as much water as you can. And lastly, but most importantly, follow your body's circadian rhythm. Sleep on time and stay away from factors which cause damage to it. Your skin is your largest mirror. It only reflects your internal health, so the only way forward is to be healthy from within. Wishing you all a very happy new year, and if you would like us to share more personalized regimes, feel free to comment on this post.